Another question we get frequently with the page builder is, how do I fix a mistake? So let's say you're making changes on your page builder and you accidentally make a change that you want to undo. Let's say I move this image further down on the page and I can't quite figure out how to get it back into its place. The first thing you can do is click Command Z. That'll always undo your most recent change. So if I click Command Z, you'll see that image now moves back into its original place. However, if you move it and you accidentally save the page and the page refreshes, you're not going to be able to click Command Z. So let me just demonstrate that right now. If I save this page, it will save the mistake that I just made. In order to fix this, we have a revisions button. So if we refresh the page, once the page loads, you'll see that my mistake has stuck. So when we scroll down, that CTA is missing and now it's further down on the page. I'm no longer able to click Command Z. What I can do is click this revisions button next to the save button at the bottom of the page. When I click revisions, it's going to bring up a list of revisions that have been made on the page, and you can restore the previous version. I can see that the change that I made with the mistake was just made on January 30th, and it was a minor edit. I can view this, or I can restore the previous version. So let me go back and restore this homepage version. I can also view it if I'd like to ensure that what I'm restoring is the correct content of this page. So let's restore this previous version. You'll see on the top right, it says page successfully updated. I can now click the back button, and I can see that the mistake that I had made has been reverted. So that's how you can undo something in case you save or refresh the page after saving and are unable to click Command Z to undo a mistake.